Good day. I'm really happy to be here today as we celebrate the 10th anniversary of Allstate India. When you look at what this was 10 years ago, this was a concept of having a few hundred people here writing some code that helped Allstate, and it would help save us a little bit of money along the process. But as you see today, we're in a remarkably different place. We have 7,000 employees today. Annually, we generate about $300 million a year of savings to the corporation, and cumulatively that number is approaching $1.5 billion. But look around the room. The talent that we've assembled here is truly remarkable. We're involved with everything the corporation does that's important. We're generating capabilities around our digital platform and our digital channels, and we're doing everything the company needs to truly transform itself. When you think about what this company really is, we help customers in their time of need. When we've had losses and distress in their lives, that's when we spring into action and solve our customers' problems. So the fact that we're dramatically increasing our claims presence and our claims workforce here is a testament to the fact that we are truly at the heart of Allstate. So congratulations on what you've done, and I look forward to the next 10 years as well. Thank you.